Hey, Adam here from FastCap. I'm out on a job site. We just installed some floating shelves. And if you've ever wanted to install shelves that are floating and not want to see the hardware, it's a brand new brace that's 33 inches long and 17 inches long. So if you want a 33 inch long shelf, you can use those here. And if you want a slightly shorter one, you could use a smaller brace. So our actual floating speed brace is about 6 inches from the wall, and if you look up at the finished shelf, it has no problem supporting a shelf that comes out a foot, 12.5 inches away from the wall. On these kitchen shelves, did very simple melamine tops and bottoms, and then I trimmed them out in some finished fur. And you want to make them tight to the braces so they will slide off or slide on when you install them. And what I did is I drew a line. You can use a laser if you'd like. And every 2 inches, we have 2 holes for, if you want to use FastCap screws, work really, really well. And just did it every 2 inches. And it's designed so that you can hit a stud. And on the back side, what was done is there's plenty of room, plenty of movement to slide this shelf side to side. And in actuality, you don't even need these middle braces. You could leave this completely open all the way across so that you have more flexibility, and it should be super tight. And it should be really snug, and I can slide it to the left, to the right, get it on there. And then once it's on, if you want to secure it with some trim screws, so you could screw into the brace from the bottom if you wanted extra security. Get your floating speed brace at fastcap.com. You're gonna love this product.